Hey guys, it's MrCrayfish and welcome back to my Java game development series. So first, I would like to thank you for leaving your suggestions in the last episode. I have taken them into note and hopefully they will be added. So this episode today isn't going to be as long, and that is because I haven't added as many features to the game as I did in the last episode, because the last episode was like 12 minutes and I was explaining like everything. But in this episode today I haven't really added that much, and that's because I've been working more on coding and creating some maps. So the feature that I have added in this episode is the minimap. So some person did suggest this, but I actually added it before he suggested it, so technically he didn't really suggest it. So if you can see in the top right corner, before we had just the square, but now we actually have the map getting rendered in there, and this is the actual pixel map that is rendering the tiles. It still makes sense though. So yeah, it's got pinpoint accuracy, so if I go in this bottom right corner here, you'll see that I'm at the bottom right corner of the fence there, and if I go up to this corner over here, you'll see that the white dot is at that corner of the fence there, so that tells you where the position of the map. It also helps you out to find paths or something on a level, because right now you can't see the fence at all, but on the minimap you can see the fence, which is really cool. If I press N right now, just because I've set this for a test on this episode, I've actually got another map here, and this is a little town that I've been working on. It actually takes a while to actually draw these up because every pixel is different and you just gotta click everywhere and all that stuff. Like here's an example. This block right here that I'm on is different to that one right there, because as you can see, this one here has like that little grey bit at the front there, and then this one's just the top bit there. So they're actually different pixels, and I just got to draw each one there. So yeah, that takes a while. So I don't know what to call this town yet. It might not even be one of the towns in the game, just because I've been showing it off in these game devs videos. I don't want you guys seeing the actual map, so this might be changed in the episode or just modified a little bit more different, so it's different. Yeah, like this house might change, it might be different shape or something like that. So as you can see on the minimap, I probably should have been talking about that. It's giving me pinpoint accuracy and actually handles any map that you give it. So this map is 71 by 71, the previous one was 31 by 31, and you can tell that it handled it really perfectly. It shows, again, I like how it shows you the area around it that you can't see on your screen, so you could be like, there's a house just over here, that's pretty cool, let's go check it out. So yeah, again, as I said, this wasn't going to be a long episode, and that is because I didn't really add much features. I've been working on this thing called a screen manager, and this practically makes it a lot easier to handle what's getting rendered on the screen, and you can just say render game screen, and this will render all the stuff that's supposed to be on here, like the GUI, the minimap, the background, the tiles, the objects, and all that stuff. And then I could be like render main menu, and that will render the main menu. And yeah, it's just a really simpler way, instead of writing each method in some sort of if statement crap, which is probably not the best way to do it. And also I've been working on maps. I don't want to show them off in this because they might be official maps in this game. I didn't really want to show off this town, but I thought why not give them an example of like some of the new stuff that I have added in. So this is a wrap. I'm going to have to call it an episode. I hope you have enjoyed this episode today. Remember to leave a like because it really helps me out and helps this series out. If you have any more suggestions for the game, you can leave a comment in the below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time for another episode. Have a good Christmas as well, and a Happy New Year. And also, you guys survived the 21st of December, which is apparently the end of the world, but it's not. I knew it wasn't going to. It's just some Mayan calendar ending and creating their new calendar, exactly like the human calendar, but let's not go into a subtopic right now. So yeah, bye guys, and I'll see you for another episode.